Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. Today we have one day of snow, but have a look at what it does. So it's been snowing quite heavy from time to time, and it's been blowing quite heavy from time to time as well. So I'll have a look on the roof here, and you can see the snow that was there before and the snow that is there now. Maybe about 3-4 inches or so far. And this is supposed to carry on until round about midnight tonight. We can see up the back, trees are all nicely decorated up. Looks like it's going to be a white Christmas here, like most Christmases. Of course, vehicles have to get de-neiged, get their snow off and stuff. A lot of these people leave their snow on the roofs, which after about, I think it's 10 centimetres, 4 inches, becomes illegal to drive about with that on your roof. Quite blowy. And this is all coming directly from the north as well. So very cold, -3 just now, and it's 3 in the afternoon. Not easy to get around. Be interesting to see what these people do. They're still taking the snow away, but from the inside somehow, I don't know. They've got reversing lights on. I don't know, they're going to have a bit of difficulty because the vehicle immediately behind them is parked illegally and just totally blocking up not only a garage entrance, see, yeah, and they've managed to get past just. Not over yet. Wow. Not a bad bit of driving. That's the wind getting up again. Wow. The weather now coming from the sides. So just a quick update from the balcony of the MaxMountainWorld Global Headquarters. So we'll look around and see some of the blowy stuff as well, and I'll do another video tomorrow after it's all gone. We're due to have this for just one day, and then a few days of beautiful sunshine, clear days, believe it or not. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. This guy's got the message there. Oh, he's going stealing his place. That's not so bad. At least people can come and go out the car park out the left there. So during the break and the wind and the snow showers, look up at L'Orient behind here. Normally it's got, after a snow shower like that, a lot of coverage all over, but you can see a lot of bare bits. It's all blown away. Where it blows to, I don't know. And those trees, those aren't small trees. That kind of gives you the scale of it. They're quite big trees up to a point, but yeah, there's a lot of that is blown away, and they're probably going to be up the top in the middle screen now. Probably going to be quite a ridge of snow ready for avalanche after